Amid rising political turmoil in Maharashtra, supporters of rebel Shiv Sena leader Eknath Shinde blackened posters of Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray in Thane on Sunday. On the other hand, Shiv Sena workers held Jute Maro Andolan against rebel Shiv Sena MLAs in Pune, Maharashtra. Meanwhile, in Mumbai, Shiv Sena workers held bike rallies to protest against the rebel Shiv Sena MLAs outside the Samana office. The political turbulence in Maharashtra was triggered by the faction war in Shiv Sena after Minister Eknath Shinde flew to Surat with some MLAs and then to Guwahati, where he claimed of having the support of 38 MLAs of the 55 Shiv Sena legislators, which is more than two-thirds of the party's strength in the 288-member Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. It means that they can either leave and form another political party or merge with another without being disqualified from the state assembly. According to sources, Maharashtra Deputy Speaker Narhari Zirwal has sent notices to the 16 Shiv Sena rebel MLAs. The MLAs have to be present in Mumbai on Monday for the hearing of disqualification. Notably, Zirwal has earlier approved the appointment of Ajay Chaudhary as Shiv Sena legislator party leader, replacing Shinde, the state cabinet minister who rebelled against the Shiv Sena leadership.